Here at the Intelligent Systems Lab, we want to know how brains understand the world. When we look at things, like this cup of water, we know what to do with them. We can imagine picking them up, throwing them around, what they feel like, and what they sound like. As of right now, we do not know how to give this power to imagine to things that we make. We try to understand this power by looking into the animal brain while it plays around in a space that it finds interesting. When things in that space change, animals are surprised and look like they are trying to explain what happened. After that, they move in a different way when they expect that the space around them may change. By looking into their brains before and after the animals change what they expect, we hope to learn more about the brain's power to understand worlds. When we try to look at the brain, we are faced with a big problem. The brain is made of many cells that work together. We can hear them working, but we can only listen to very few of them at a time. Because of this, we tried to build better ways to listen to or look at more cells at the same time so we can better understand what they are working on. The animals we usually study in neuroscience keep their brains hidden deep inside of their bodies, and so it's very hard to watch the brain while it is working inside of a moving animal. But this is slightly less true about cuttlefish. Instead of packing most of their nervous system into a brain the way humans do, most of the cuttlefish nervous cells are out in the body. Cuttlefish neurons control special cells in the skin that can change the cuttlefish's form, color, and feel. One type of special cell is called a chromatophore. It's like a tiny bag full of color, with muscles holding onto it on all sides. Each muscle has 3 or 4 neurons wrapped around it. When the muscles are relaxed, the bag of color is closed tight and can't be seen. But when the neurons tell the muscles to pull, the bag of color can grow up to 5 times larger, making the skin in that area change color. The cuttlefish's skin has over 20 million chromatophores, each controlled by 20 or more neurons. This means that over 100 million neurons are working together to control how a cuttlefish appears to other animals. Given that, we believe that looking carefully at cuttlefish skin while it moves through the world could be a way to watch both single neurons and large groups of neurons at the same time without cutting open any part of the animal.